Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volkswagen Passat service light. This straightforward process will help you clear that dashboard reminder quickly and efficiently. It's a common procedure for many Passat models, ensuring your vehicle's display is accurate after maintenance. We'll walk through each step using the buttons on your instrument cluster, making it easy to follow along. To begin, make sure your Volkswagen Passat's ignition is completely off. Next, find the trip odometer reset button on your instrument cluster, usually near the speedometer. Press and hold this button down. It's crucial to keep it pressed throughout the next step to initiate the reset sequence correctly. This sets the stage for clearing that service message. With the trip odometer button still held, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. Just turn the key or press the start button without your foot on the brake. Hold the trip button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds until the service light begins to flash or a message appears. Then, you can release the button. After releasing the button, you might need to press it once more briefly to confirm the reset, or press the OK button on your steering wheel if prompted. Once confirmed, turn your ignition completely off. Then, turn it back on and start your engine to ensure the service light no longer appears. Congratulations! Your Volkswagen Passat service reminder is now successfully reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.